What is up, grade 12s? Back again with another video. It's NosANA, as some of you guys already know. In this video, I'm going to be proving a trig identity from a past exam question paper. If you're new to my channel and watching videos from me for the first time, please care to share, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're in grade 11 and also coming across my videos, please, this channel might just be your gold mine. So in this video, we are solving a trig identity, and we are given cos 2x minus 1 over sine 2x is equal to minus tan x. So we just need to label our left hand side and our right hand side so that we know where we are working from and where we are going. So you can see that on the right hand side we just have minus 10x, and when you simplify that, it will be minus sine over, sorry about that, it will be minus sine, sorry, over cos x, right? So on the left hand side we have 2x minus 1, right? So we need to find an identity that, the identity of course that is going to probably eliminate the minus 1, because what we're trying to prove is minus 10x, and that alone doesn't have a positive 1 or anything, right? The identity for 2 sine is the easiest one, because by head you should just know it, that it is equal to 2 sine x times cos x, right? So for the cos one, that's the one that always gives people problems, but you should just keep in mind that it changes. There are 3 different identities for cos 2x, and usually the one that you pick has to eliminate something on the numerator or on the denominator, right? So the one that I'm going to pick over here is the one that has 1 minus 2 sine squared x, right? Why? Because the 1 is going to be cancelled by the minus 1, right? And I'll divide that by sine 2x, right? So you can see that the minus 1 and the 1 and the minus 1 will cancel, and then what we're going to have left is going to be minus 2 sine squared x, right? But I'm not going to write it as that. I'm going to separate it, right? So that when we are trying to cancel, it works out perfectly. Okay, so here we're going to change the sine 2x, right? We'll change it and it'll be 2 sine x, or cos, right? Sine x times cos x, and then the sine. Okay, so the sine and the sine should cancel, right? So what I'm gonna do, sorry, not the cos, the sine, right? So the sine and the sine will cancel, and what we're gonna have left is okay, sorry about that. So now the 2 sine and the 2 sine will cancel, and we'll have sine x over cos x, right? And that will be equal to tan x. Okay, therefore we've proved that the left hand side or the right hand side is equal to the left hand side, right? So this one, guys, was an easy 4 marks. All right, so this one was an easy 4 marks. So notice what we did. We had to eliminate the minus 1 by choosing a ratio that was going to eliminate it. So that's what we did. So you should not be stuck when you see questions like this. Always find out what identity is going to eliminate something that looks strange in there. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. Until we meet again in the next video.